Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can apply a drop shadow effect to images and photos in your websites you create and edit on Framer. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the website project you edit on Framer. I will go with this one here and left click into the image you have inserted. As you can see, that one doesn't feature any drop shadow effect. So to apply it, left click into the given image and navigate to the formatting panel here on the right hand side. Scroll all the way down till you get to styles. And under styles at the very bottom you will see the drop shadow effect. Click into add shadows to the right and start customizing the drop shadow effect. You may, for example, choose the position of the shadow effect, outside or inside. I will go with outside. Then click into the color box here. I will apply, let's say, a blue shadow like this. You may enter the hex color code here as well. Adjust the color transparency and return to the previous menu. And then guys, what you want to do is adjust the shadow effect intensity by using these plus and minus buttons here, and you will see, for example, the result. If you increase the intensity for the y-axis or x-axis, you will see the given drop shadow also on the given axis. And you can do the same for this one. And below you may blur the given drop shadow and make it look like this. So let me just zoom in a bit and it would look like that. You can also use the spread feature here to increase the intensity. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.